Namaste, welcome to Yoga and You. This is Dhivya, a freelance yoga instructor based in Chennai, and we are here at the Ratlanget Yoga Studio. So in this video, I'm going to be taking you through the shoulder stand sequence. So starting off from Viparita Karni until the Karnapidasana. So let's see how to do each and every posture. But first, in this video, I'm going to be focusing on Viparita Karni, so which is slightly a simplified version of Sarvangasana. So let's begin by comfortably lying down on a back, just like this. And bend your knees, and slowly you're going to lift both your legs up. So take your time, be relaxed, stay calm, and as you inhale, bend your knees and slowly bring your legs all the way up. So from here, inhale, lift both your legs up and roll your elbows inwards. So your shoulders are rolled back and your elbows are inside, and now bring your hips straight and your legs are straight. Gaze at your toes, and now in Viparita Karni, if you observe, there is a gap between my chest and my chin. So hold here for a couple of deep breaths. The more you hold, it is going to strengthen your shoulders. Your shoulder blades are going to be strong and creates a lot of strength in your upper body. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1 to release. Slowly bend your knees and slowly release the posture, just rolling yourself safely down and relax your legs. And remain in shavasana for quite some time to relax your entire body. So to begin with Sarvangasana, again lie down comfortably on your back and bring your legs all the way up, just like in Viparita Karni. So inhale, bring both your legs up and slowly bring both your legs up towards the sky. So let me show you the difference here. So for Viparita Karni, your hips were way too lower, just like this. So my chin and the chest are apart. And for Sarvangasana, the actual shoulder stand, you push your hips all the way forward and bring your chest closer to your chin and elongate the lower part of your body, creating nice inversion. So your blood is inverted here. Just keep your breath normal and hold the posture for as long as you can, strengthening your shoulders here. Hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And from Sarvangasana, moving on to Halasana, you need a lot of core strength here. So just take your time, keep yourself comfortable, and without bending your legs here, inhale deeply, and as you exhale, just push your hips down and bring your legs all the way up above your head. So take your time, do not rush into the posture, keep exhaling, use your core, engage your core muscles and bring your leg all the way over your head. And now your hands can get interlocked here and bring it all the way down, strengthening your shoulders here and stretching your legs all the way back. You can feel my neck muscles and my shoulder muscles getting strong here. So keep your breath really normal. Hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And moving on to Karnapidasana, the final posture in the shoulder stand sequence. It is a flow, so from Halasana, Slowly try and bend your knees one by one and place your knee closer to your ears. So extending one leg and bending my right knee here and placing it onto the mat. Again to the left. To stretch the leg muscles, you can always bend your leg from here and hold for 3, 2, 1, and slowly release the posture by coming back to halasana, stretching the legs one by one. And again, hands back to your hips. Slowly bringing your legs back to Viparita Karni, taking your legs one by one. And to release, gently bend your knees and bring yourself down. Take it really slow and nice. And relax your legs in shavasana.